to 1 Minute Qiskit, where we answer your questions and share Qiskit tips and tricks. This week the question is: how can I create an anti-controlled gate in Qiskit? In quantum computing, a controlled gate acts on a target qubit if the control qubit is in a certain state, normally the 1 state. An anti-controlled gate, by contrast, acts on the target qubit if the control qubit is in the 0 state, and does nothing to the target if the control is in the 1 state. This is useful for certain quantum algorithms and protocols. In Qiskit, you can create an anti-controlled gate by adjusting the control state parameter when you import a general control NOT gate. Let's create an anti-control NOT gate as an example. Here, the control state parameter determines the state of the control qubit that will cause the gate to act on the target qubit. By setting control state to 0, you can create an anti-controlled gate. Then you can use the append method to add the custom gate to your circuit. In this example, the NOT gate acts on the target qubit if the control qubit is in the state 0. If the control qubit is in the state 1, the gate does nothing to the target qubit. This technique can be applied to any control gate in Qiskit that has the control state parameter, allowing you to create anti-controlled versions of many different quantum gates. For example, we can import the control NOT gate, also known as the Toffoli gate. Then here I've set the control state parameter to 1, 0, so that the X gate on the target qubit will be applied if the first qubit is 0 and if the second qubit is 1. If you add measurements and run the circuit on a simulator or quantum computer, make sure you transpile the custom control gate so that it will be converted to the native gates needed to implement it. If you have a question, feel free to leave it in the comments. Subscribe for more 1 Minute Qiskits as well as other quantum and Qiskit related videos. Thanks for watching, bye!